Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a complaint on the cybercrime portal. Cybercrime is a growing concern, and knowing how to report it effectively is crucial for your safety and the safety of others. We'll go over what constitutes a cybercrime, introduce you to the official reporting portal, and highlight why prompt reporting is so important. By the end, you'll feel confident in taking the necessary steps to report any online misconduct you encounter. Before you begin filing, it's essential to gather all the necessary information. Think of yourself as a detective, collecting every piece of the puzzle. This includes details about the incident itself, like what happened and when. Crucially, collect any evidence you have, such as screenshots, suspicious emails, or transaction identification numbers. Having these details ready will make the filing process much smoother and help authorities investigate your case more effectively. Now, let's walk through the actual process of filing your complaint on the official cybercrime portal. First, navigate to the website and either register for a new account or log in if you already have one. Once inside, you'll find a complaint form. Take your time to fill it out accurately and completely, providing all the details you gathered earlier. Remember to upload all your supporting evidence. This is a critical step to strengthen your case. After successfully submitting your complaint, you'll receive a unique reference number. Make sure to keep this number safe, as it's your key to tracking the progress of your report. You can typically use this number on the portal to check the status of your complaint. It's also important to be prepared to cooperate with law enforcement if they reach out for additional information. Your active participation can significantly aid in the investigation and resolution of your case.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.